Welcome to the Monday Apps Marketplace. In just a few clicks, you can install ready-made apps to take your workflow to the next level. Let's dig in. To access the Apps Marketplace, select your avatar and click here. Here is the Monday Apps Marketplace. These powerful apps are built by third-party developers as well as monday.com. To narrow down the endless possibilities, browse by category, or select your desired feature type. After locating the perfect app for your team, click Install App. From there, review the required permissions and proceed to install. Once installed, add the app to any project by clicking here, or by locating it in the Dashboard, Integration, or Views Center. As I said earlier, the workflow possibilities are truly endless. Whether you need to visualize your data, customize your automations and integrations, or improve collaboration with your team, odds are there's an app for that. Before we go, it's worth noting that admins have full control of the apps installed on your account. To manage your apps, open the admin settings and select Apps. Here, you can uninstall apps with a simple click. There you have it. Only thing left to do is explore the limitless options to power up your workflow. I'll leave that up to you.